What's up, everybody? It's your girl Kira, and I'm back with a mukbang from Hardee's. I got me some onion rings, some ranch, and two sliders, cheeseburger sliders, and some sweet tea. I already prepared before the video started. I got me two cheeseburger sliders. Cheeseburger from Hardee's is good. I give it 6%. Drop off. What is that for?
It's really hard. What the food up?
Oh.
You know, you put stuff in the microwave and it make the bread hard.
Ooh, that's what they probably did in the microwave.
I didn't know that.
It is though.
It tastes like it. You doing it fresh. But hot dog is banging, taste it.
I'm good, but thank you.
Let Kira taste it.
Huh.
You know what I'm talking about? Let Kira taste it. The hot dog is good, ain't it? I always get the hot dog.
It is kind of hard.
It's good.
It is good, but the bread is.
Mm-hmm. That bread was fresh. It was yummy.
It already been done.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Got my ears to have the $5 box. It had like a cookie. It came with a cookie or apple pie and a burger, like 2 burgers and a drink. Or it was a hot dog, a burger, a onion ring, and a drink.
That's what I thought they had.
Full.
What you talking about they thought they had?
The $5 box?
Kira got the $6 box.
Yeah, I think they took away the $5 box.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She got the $6 box. She got 2 sliders, a cookie, the thing. Then these had the $5 box. You can get 2 sandwiches, fries, a drink, and a cookie.
Yeah, but or they had the other one, which you had a burger, a hot dog.
I say 2 sandwiches. And you get a hot dog or I can get 2 sandwiches and 2 hot dogs.
Oh, I used to get the 2 sandwiches, and then I used to get onion rings and drink. Hardee's onion rings, I rather prefer than fries for some reason. The onion rings are better. Don't even serious. Oh.
Be careful. Push the mat up to the table. There you go.
Excuse me. These, I think they got the best apple pies. Sorry.
Me too.
Just sometimes they orders be wrong sometimes.
You gotta never do free apple pie.
One thing I'll be mad about McDonald's is they ice cream machine don't work. You
Oh,
need to
yeah?
fix that.
Have you heard about the donut sticks? Those not good.
Remember you said you were sick?
Your donut sticks from Taco Bell.
No, McDonald's.
I don't know that messing me sweet.
What?
They donut sticks.
For McDonald's? I like it.
They ain't sweet. Remember I got some to go with my coffee. The cinnamon sticks.
The donut stick, yeah.
That's the cinnamon sticks, ain't there? Something like that.
Yeah. Do you know Burger King?
Uh-huh.
They got funnel fries. Like funnel cake fries.
There you
I'm coming that other day. I didn't
I'm
know
ready to
that
see
either.
my dad. I miss my dad.
Look at this.
Why you didn't call your dad and see till you come?
Oh,
Don't miss him too much.
Can I taste one? I ain't got no more. Oh. Thank you.
Grandma, do you like what you call it, McDonald's ranch? I do too.
Your ranch is nasty.
I eat that with my salad. I get my salad.
I eat
That
it.
ranch-
I eat it
the
with
salad
my,
ranch is good,
chicken
but the-
nuggets.
But
Oh,
the
you
dipping,
got
the
your
dipping one is nasty.
Nah,
I don't get no different ranch.
I did. It'd be good, especially with some fresh chicken nuggets and fries.
I remember one time I had McDonald's. They gave me the freshest. They gave me
Oh,
the,
I'm sorry.
they gave me the freshest fries and the freshest chicken nuggets.
It was still nasty.
It'd be
It was
good.
good.
Oh, okay.
It was like the first time in forever. You know, they fries used to have a different
Who put out your
smell.
cookie? You did. I'm just saying to tell you, she's been put out. Eat that one. Easy, like they used to be back in the day.
What this?
Questions? I don't like them.
Me either. I don't like peanut and caramel. I do eat them fudge round and the chocolate brownies.
Salted caramel peanut cookie.
And Star Crunch. Dog, I'm gonna eat one of these apple pies, man. They finna be good. They give me a cookie too.
Take a bite.
If you don't get your apple pie on my face.
The first bite is yours.
Yeah, they be like, take a bite. Like, you want, they be making my mouth water when they do that. Be like, you can have the first bite. Like, that's just crazy. Don't they be like that? They be like, you can take the first bite. And if you don't even take the first bite, that's if you had the same food. Yeah. Comment down below if y'all be watching mukbangs, because I do.
My cousin do. You do. Oh.